Everybody is doing their best to prepare for this. This could be a big event for us in Pennsylvania, especially the East, and I think we're ready for action. 2 snowstorms coming. The first one starts tonight, and it's going to be a statewide event, 3 to 6 inches from Pittsburgh to Lancaster, with more in the higher elevations. And then we don't know exactly what's coming after that, but Tuesday there's another storm coming up from the south, and depending on where that lands, that could be a major event for eastern Pennsylvania. If you're out there and you don't have to drive, obviously the best thing would be to stay off the roads. I understand a lot of people have to. Tomorrow's a work day. If you see one of these big pieces of equipment on the, out there snow plowing or putting down brine or salt, give them a wide berth. They're big pieces of equipment. I don't want anyone to get hurt. I've been on the phone with Rick Flynn, the director of PEMA. We've notified the National Guard. I mean, everything that we could possibly do to prepare for this. And again, we don't know how big a deal this is going to be, but I want to make sure that we're prepared. We have plenty of salt, plenty of trucks, and backups, so we're ready.
I don't want to see the it's coming down out, we're trying to go back. It's a lot easier. Alright. A lot of times we need to shoot the some anti-skid, some stone. We use a lot of anti-skid. It all depends what the temperature is.
Sometimes we have residue on the roadway from the previous storm, so you can tell, after a hard storm, a lot of times today we'll have a little bit of a white texture.
Here we put about as much down as the ocean will. Because it was one of them years we said to keep putting it down. Actually, does a lot of good for us. A couple weeks ago we had a snow.